What's going on, guys? David here, back with another YouTube video. Quick update on the yard. It's about 6 to 7 weeks later. Fungicide, fertilizer, and insecticide down. Make sure we got to protect the grass. So let's go ahead and show you what we're working with now. All right, so we're just going to kind of come over here. Here's the top portion of the yard. We put in these iliopes here. They get about triple the size here. Kind of make a little border here. Nice blue flowers when they bloom in the summer. Put a little mulching bed in here. Real nice looking, guys. You can see we got a little invasive species coming in. We got some Bermuda, we got some POA. Got little vines growing, so we got to take care of those guys. Make sure they don't come in. Real nice in the shade here. I still have not mowed it. We're gonna go ahead and actually spray a little weed killer here. You can see, guys, just real nice, real lush, looking real good. Take over here. So I sprayed a fungicide down because it's 90 degrees here in Orlando, and we're getting a bunch of rain, so we're kind of getting into that hot and humid cycle. So we definitely got to make sure we put a fungicide down. I'm putting one down about every 30 days. You can see, guys, this is just gorgeous grass. Amazing. I love it. I can't wait to mow it. You can just see we'll pan up a little bit. This looks amazing, guys. So like I said, really not too much stuff that I've done to it. Just a little bit here and there. Another little border here at iliopes. Just help keep out the other grass and the weeds. So you can see here. Let's go from the street. Just amazing, guys. I'm loving it. So the only problem that I've had, you'll see, I'm going to show you guys a couple pieces of sod that just, I guess you can call them the runts. So look at this. This is just, you can see indentation. There's another one right there. So this whole area right here, guys, this gets a lot of shade. So it's real nice and thick. Like the water retention's a lot better. You can see this top corner gets a lot more sun. But some of these pieces, I guess we're gonna call them the runts of the pile, because they're runts. I mean, you can see, look at this. Just half grass, half dead grass. So it's kind of annoying, but I just have to take a little extra care and extra notice. So this whole area, you can see, guys, I know you'll be able to see in the video. I won't water it for a couple days, and this whole area looks like it's dead and drying. And then we go over there, and it's just gorgeous. There's no water stress, there's no heat stress. So it's kind of hard to say, hey, do I need to water it? Because this area right here doesn't need any water. And then late in the day, like I said, it'll just look very heat and water distressed. And the main thing you got to be careful, guys, is you don't want to overwater it, because you will get fungus and that will wreck your yard. I've already learned that the hard way, and it's not fun. You pretty much lose your yard if you don't know what you're doing. So here's little weeds here. But guys, this is the update. Real nice. I'm not going to show you the backyard yet. I actually just cut the backyard. I have my reasons, so you'll have to wait and see the backyard. So we got some POA. And you guys know any good POA? I guess this is POA annual. And you guys know any good spray? Because this stuff is just really hard to pull up. I mean, sometimes you're lucky you can get the root. Other times, nah, I didn't get it. Yeah, fuck. Yeah, I didn't get it. So leave some comments below. Subscribe. Give me those thumbs up. You know what to do. All right, guys, that's my quick update. Stay tuned. We're going to do a first mow very soon. The backyard came out amazing. Can't wait to show you that when I'm ready for that. And I will see you guys on the next video. Bye, guys.